To install the CASSA app from the Play Store on your mobile device, click on the Play Store button and then search for CASSA.io. As you can see, I've got it on a recent search, and there it is, and all you need to do is click on the app, then on install, and then it'll just take a few seconds to download and install. Scanning for viruses, and there you go, installation complete. Click on open. And then if you've already registered, which you probably have, click on sign in, enter your email address and password, and then click on the sign in button, and then just allow CASSA to use your photos and videos while using the app. And there we go. There you have the full functionality available to you on the CASSA app.